Hi there, Chris here with just a tip for you all. In this video, we're going to take a look at liquid cement, plastic cement. This is typically used for styrene plastic. I prefer Model Master Testors because it has this nice little nozzle. There are other plastic cements out there like Tamiya's would come with the little brushes, but in this video, I'm going to show you something that I use. Now, I like Model Master here from Testors because it comes with these little wires that is for cleaning out little clogs that occur periodically in that little metal nozzle, and it clears that and it allows for a free flow of the plastic cement. And plastic cement flows like water. It's really thin, but it's great stuff for using for your plastic models. But what if you buy plastic glue that does not come with these little wires? Well, what can you do when clogs occur? And they will occur, and as I'm sure many of you have noticed, they happen. I like to use a bread tie. I strip the plastic off and exposing the wire, and the wire happens to be the right diameter for the nozzle, and it passes right in there. And so I shave off a little bit. I curl the end for a little handle just to help, maneuver this little wire around, and you can see it goes all the way in and comes all the way out, and it clears the breach in the nozzle, or in the breach, a blockage in the nozzle. Just simply wipe it off and you're ready to continue going. And that is pretty much it. It's just getting a little bread tie, stripping off the plastic around it, using that wire to clear your clogs, and you can continue using your glue. Huge thank you to all my patrons out there. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. There are varying tiers of support that you can support at. And a huge thank you to everybody. Take care of those brushes, and they will take care of you.